This is James with WSTrades.com. I want to provide an update here and talk about this ETF called UFO, or that's the ticker, UFO. So somebody was requesting an update here on this, and actually I had never looked at it. So it's definitely new to me. So the investment objective here, it says, since the beginning of humankind, our ancestors have looked to the skies with immense curiosity in search of answers. Space has always captured human interest, but recently the space economy has also captured commercial interest like never before. So UFO, the Procure Space ETF, may provide diversification beyond the limitations of solely earthbound companies. The Procure Space ETF, or the fund, seeks investment results that correspond generally to the performance before the fund's fees and expenses of an equity index called the S Network Space Index, or the underlying index, developed by S Network Global Indexes. So let's take a look here, some details on this. The expense ratio here for this ETF is going to be 0.75%. There are 36 holdings, and they do list here the shares outstanding and the net assets. So if you divide the net assets there by the shares outstanding, it will tell you what the net asset value is, and that is $19.64. And if you go look at it right now, it closed at $19.76. So it's pretty much trading right now right at that net asset value, or just a few pennies above it. So it's really close there. And it also shows a distribution of 14 cents. So the last ex-div date was June 28th, and they paid out on June 30th. So let's take a look here about some of the holdings here. So this is for the top 10 holdings as of August 7th. So we got 6.2% is Rocket Lab, or RKLB. We got Sirius in there. We've got Trimble. Dish is in there. Garmin is in there. EchoStar. So they do have a complete list here of all of their holdings and what the percentage weighting is. And we do have some pretty big names in here. We've got Virgin Galactic, or Space. We've got TomTom. We've got Viasat, we've got Comcast, we've got Boeing, Lockheed Martin, and Honeywell International. So they do have some companies in here that pump out some pretty good earnings and are pretty strong financially. And then they have other companies like Virgin Galactic, which just continue to bleed money and dilute. So it's kind of a mixed bag here of what is actually in this ETF, or what comprises this ETF. But I just wanted to do an update here and talk a little bit about this because we did get a request from one of the followers, or one of the people who watch this channel. So I just want to say thanks for asking about this ticker, and if there's any other tickers out there, just definitely leave a comment, let me know, and we can try to do an update. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.